Okay, next one up is this stunning BMW F800 GS. This is a returning client. I did a couple of his bikes yesterday. This bike has just recently got back from Morocco, so it's in time for a little bit of a trot TLC, trot love. We're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this. More than anything, he wanted to get some corrosion protection on it and get all the sand residue that's on it off. Got a few bits and pieces that have gone a little bit rusty, so we're going to sort all that out, get all these discs cleaned up. Like I said, more than anything, get a bit of corrosion protection on it, get that exhaust all minted up, the usual bits and pieces which are included in a trot full Monty valet. Let's get cracking. Let's get a bit of snow foam on it, get it all cleaned up, get it in the studio, and then we'll crack on with a bit of detailing. Watch this space. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This BMW GS 800 has been fully trotted. What a transformation. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. Nice bit of detailing, touched up a few rusty nuts and bolts. All that exhaust has been minted up like new. You would never think this bike has ever been off-road. All the motor, everything's had the XCP clear coat misted all over it. All the center stand that was all rusty has all been lightly sanded and painted. Just lubed up the chain. Absolutely gleaming. All this exhaust has all been mirror polished back up. All up underneath the seat has got the XCP. All done, 3 hours on the dot. Get yours booked in now. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz.